I will Makami first 2 videos, but the audio is Agar Robux Princess's voice. I am turning into one. Let's go.
Hello YouTube, welcome to my first video. And today we are playing Roblox Demolition. I saw someone broke the computer because of. Don't do that. People barely even make videos about this game. It's also not my responsibility, you know. What the? I want sugar Robux. Can I have please had sugar Robux? WTV that is. No. You died, you mateys demon. You died. If they can't handle these kinds of glitches of games, then they shouldn't be playing in the first place. Let's. You suck at this game. Bro, what the heck? What? Oh no, please help me, please stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Muhahaha, I will hunt you down. Come out where you were. Oh, it's yummy. Yum. Where did she go? Let's. Oh my god, I died. Thanks for watching my first video. Well, YouTube, welcome to my second video. And today we are playing a very hungry Pikachu. And oh no, he's after me, just like that mateys demon with its own bat. Die. While you died. Oh nice. I killed Pikachu. I want to grab sugar items. What does these coils do? Wait, oh my god, the red one makes me go fast. It's good enough. Let's go to McDonald's. Help, I'm stuck. Wait, I got it. Well, this is amazing. Let's go down the slide. Wee 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 wee. You done hit this pikachu. Also, what does this blue coil do? You this pikachu. Let's continue knowing what does this coil do. Oh my god, it makes me jump high. Oh my god, me is Pikachu. Haha, mateys Pikachu. You suck at this game. But wait, it happened in my first video when I died. Run away. Attach, no, stop it, stop it, stop it. Let's. Oh my god, I died, but respawned at McDonald's. You died, you mateys Pikachu. Let's go inside this house. Oh my god, why is the video game still on? Let's get inside this room. Oh my god, it's Shrek. I want to dance with you. Well, okay. Yay, Shrek, okay. Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with a finger and a thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years stop coming and they don't stop coming. Led to the rules that I hit the ground running. Thanks for watching my second video. Get my fan kids come. Subscribe to give me sugar robux. You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now.